Welcome to another edition of Igbo in the Diaspora. Today, you will learn emotions in Igbo. Simple, fast, and practical. The first emotion of the day is joy. In Igbo, it is Ongo. Ongo. When you're happy, you say Ongo juru m obi. The next emotion is Iwe. Anger in Igbo is Iwe. When you're angry, you say Iwe na-ewe m. I am angry. I am angry. The next one is sadness. Sadness. In Igbo, it is Mwute. Mwute. When you feel sad, you say Obi adịghị m mma. I don't feel good. The next emotion is fear. Fear in Igbo is Ụjọ. When you are scared, you shout Ụjọ na-atụ m. I'm scared. The favorite emotion of the day is love. Love. In Igbo, it is Ịhụnanya. Ịhụnanya. Now, to express love, you say Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. I love you. Now, let's test you quickly. What is anger in Igbo? Iwe. The next test. How do you say I love you in Igbo? Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Learn small, become fluent fast. Follow for more simple Igbo lessons.